what's up guys, this is Suripto and you are watching Technical Suripto. So let's start. So guys, this video is about I will tell you how you will create a Angular app, okay, easily in minutes using ChatGPT. So guys, right now in today's we can create any app very easily with the help of ChatGPT, but it will give only you the basic feature, okay. But the thing is that you need to know technology so you can modify the app according to your requirements. So that I will tell you step by step. So first of all, let's go to ChatGPT and try to create a prompt. Let's say I am writing, can you create an Angular app with a version 13? We are using first Angular version 13. And for a simple dating app, we have to create a dating app like Tinder interface and send the project in zip. So I am directly asking ChatGPT to give me the zip file so I can import in my VS Code. I hope you understand well guys. So let's start. So see, after that, see it is giving us a prompt answer. So like it is already created a project. So I asked me to download the project. But once I'm going through this, I can see that this project does not have any real image. So the thing is that I asked to make the zip with a real girl's image profile. So ChatGPT again modify and give us a updated project. So right now our task start. So let's get into the VS Code and make our hands dirty with some coding. So we can see that here we have our folder. So this folder completely done and we just now need to import this folder in the VS Code. So let's get started on already here you can see I have imported this folder. So what you need to do, so just click on file, okay, and then click on open folder. Now here from there you can just select the main application from here and just select folder. It will directly come like this. Okay, now the thing is that what you need to do next. Let's see. Because I have given a command here, so it will tell me to step by step what I need to do. Like for setting and running this application. Because that's the only import you will not able to run. You need to understand. Guys, so let's see. First of all, we need to check a node version. So like Angular 13 support 12, 13, 16 version. Let me check my node version. I can see here I type node -v and my node version is 22. I guess it will run because it's more than 16. So fine, if you don't have node there 16, you can directly install like nvm install 16 in your terminal and you can install it. Now it is time to install some dependencies, okay. So already if you see in the package.json file, dependencies are written here, okay, but you need to install Angular CLI and everything, TypeScript and all. So that's why you need to do npm install. Let me do, already I've done it, but still for you guys I'm doing it again. So it will take some time guys. So already see it is installed everything. So see, just removed one package and it is some vulnerabilities are there right now, which is we are not fixing this vulnerabilities because it not may not affect our project or running and all. So the next step what we need to do is we need to start our dev server. By starting a dev server, first we need to set the SSM tunnel in the node values. Because if we not done this with Angular will not CLI, will not support and we not. Now the next step is to start the dev server. For dev server already previously I have done. So this is the command npx ngserve __ hyphen open. So this will run start the dev server in the port 4200. So let's see. This is not a simple server, this is not for production, this is only for the testing purpose. So we will not create a production build about it. So we can see this application is launched in localhost 4200. So we can see here the image is coming one by one, and we can just either cross love or cross it, love or cross it. And only we have 4 images, that's why it is showing 4, but you can insert multiple images here, and in the header you can see the app name. You can see there is one more button out there, that is called search near me. So if we click on that, it will ask like search the 100 kilometers in radius in based on the latitude longitude value, and it will find any profiles is there or not. So that also we need to configure any within 100 kilometers any profiles are there or not, that you need to there in the code. Okay, so our application is successfully launched. So let's see anything we can done. So it is running fine. Okay, now if you want to run, we can run a production build. Okay, and we can create a production build on that. So let's see how we can do that. For that we need to do npm run or npx ng build and let's go another configuration production. So that let me copy this command and go to this here and we'll create a new terminal. So go to file, go to new terminal, and we will create a production build of this. Okay, we need to see like what is the error. Okay guys, so we'll try to handle this error, but I will try to fix it and show you a different video. But as of now the application is running fine in the test. Okay, so you can see this is running fine, and now I will explain more about this application. Like see, like you already have install the application, but you have to know the coding and all, right? Where you putting the main code, where you putting the design and all, where you putting all the icons, all the data, all the images. So that you need to know, right? So that's why I am trying to explore the whole project structure, try to help you understand. So let's start. So if you close it, you can see this structure is quite similar like Angular project. It's being Angular 13. Okay, and we have tsconfig of JSON and then package of JSON contains all the dependencies that is required for our project. Okay, so if you guys, main thing will be there in the src folder. Okay, so you going to src, going to app. Now this you can only understand like as app or component.css. So it will be for design purpose only, CSS. So it will for design purpose, and is the style for the how the cut animation works. That animation, see if you go here how this animation works. So that animation is made here. So there you can copy it. You can make it center, opacity, anything you can add to make any combination here. So hey guys, we are back, and we are having an issue with the production build, like how to pull the production build. We are getting an issue. So I tried a different command, npx, like I had written npm run build, Now the app actually built it with the ng built, and it see the browser application bundle generation completed and index HTML generation also complete. So it able to generate the production build. Okay, so like if you try to open index XML, and you can see like it is running fine. If you run it in the index of HTML, so you can see it is running fine. So already we are able to create a production build of this application. So let me understand you more about the features of the app, like about the app content of CSS. And I will now go to the app component of HTML. So it is nothing but the HTML, a design part. Okay, so we need to understand how the design part works. Okay, so I will go by very basic, not by going advanced, like how is property populating each of the features. Just go to the basic of a design. What I have done here. So let me. It's not getting maximized. Okay, fine. So at the start we can see we given the header, the dating setting. This is the app header that will come in our front. So like this, okay. So this will be our front. It's a front. It's a div, and it's a front. It will come like this. So if you go down, go a little down, and you have the class card. There are multiple cards out, another 5 cards. So this is a card facility, how it is configured there. Okay. Now if you go down, now is the comes the main part. Okay. So this is a button. So there is one button, that is the like button is there. Once you click on button, this animation occurs and this image got changing. Okay, so you are see that in the button class we have a property called click, and in the click all the profiles are set. So we have only 4 profiles set, that is Sophia, Isabella, Olivia and Eva. But if you want, you can modify all the properties, you can add more properties, so more profiles will come in the view. So that is depending upon you and your requirement. That's just explaining you the basic things. And once this 4 profile got exhausted, now you've seen this profile, so this command will occur and no more profiles for you now. So we need to click on reload button, and if you click on reload button, this again it will fire and again it show these images. So simple. Now this is the footer. If you go here, you can see in the footer we have 3 buttons. One is for cross, there is nope. Third one is for like, and third one is for search near me. It will give you the nearest matches. So if you go here, you can see in the 3 buttons are there, and there is a click functionality, and there is a one icon also is there. Like this is the icon. This is the for love icon, and is for the search near icon. So based on the click, it will show the function and it will work. So that is actually the basics of what is actually is there in the design. Now if you go to this is the app component. So here basically all the coding things and stuff is there. So first you need to understand how the this thing like the search near me is working, how we are taking that latitude longitude. If you go through this code, you are able to understand. If you want this code, I will give you the code, maybe in some notepad or in some shared points, or I can upload to a GitHub, so that I also can do it. But you need to go on how you are actually calculating the latitude longitude. That is a function is here. How actually calculating a distance, how it is the function and all the functions that is. Hi guys, that is all for now. I hope you like my video, able to understand how the Angular app works, how to run the app. And next time if you want, I can create a video how to upgrade from Angular 13 to Angular 14. So like if I get good response, I definitely make video on that. Till that time, if you like my video, please subscribe, like my video, give your valuable comments, subscribe and all guys. Love you guys. I will see you next video. Bye bye. Take care.